Today is finally the day. All you get is a glimpse here. Finally got my Daniel's jewelry package delivered. Let's open this thing up, see what we got. I tell you one thing, definitely came express. When they say next day, they meant it. They sent me the email, and next thing you know, this thing was here. So let's get ready to open this thing up, see what we got. Unboxing Daniel's jewelry. So I ordered a, done dropped my Ravens. Gotta rep the squad, man. My boys did good this year. Best team in the league. We just picked a bad day to have a bad day. That's all that was. Alright, so let's get this thing cut up, see what we got. Oh, I guess you ain't gotta cut it. You could just pull it. A little pull tab. Man, drop my Ravens again. Sorry, I still rep the squad regardless. Ball so hard, University. Some paper in there. Look at that. From watching somebody else's video, I knew it was going to be a box inside of a box. So, here we go. Box number 2. Alright, now let's get box number 2 open up. Okay, it's like those little dolls where you just keep getting another one after another one. I definitely felt as though I wanted to pay it forward, because without all the YouTube videos that I've seen talking about the extremely high quality of this Daniel's jewelry as far as getting Cuban links was concerned, I wouldn't have known anything about it. So let's see if everything is worth the hype. Alright. Guess I got another box here. Alright, let's see what we got inside of. Okay, nice little red case, nice little jewelry box case. I was waiting for this moment, so let's see what we got. Oh, okay. Real unboxing. I see they got it rolled up. Okay, I'm fine with that too. Nice little box with the LEDs. That's pretty cool. Alright. Let's take it out and see if we like what we got. Definitely got some weight to it. Okay. Damn. Yeah, that's something else right there. That's a chain right there. So this is my 24-inch Cuban Link from Daniel's Jewelry, 14 karat gold, custom engraving, Suicide King. That's me. We'll get into that later. Miami Cuban Link, 186.3 grams. Suicide King. We'll get into that later though. Miami Cuban, 14 karat, 186.3 grams, which was slightly off. The website said it's supposed to be somewhere, 188 grams, but who's trying? 10 millimeter, 24 inch. Got the MSRP right there, which I don't mind seeing. Here we go. This is the Cuban Link. Definitely a heavy piece. Definitely, you can feel the weight on it. You definitely can feel the handmade quality in it. Let's unsnap the lock here. Camera for this. Definitely quality made. They always talk about the hang straight test. She hanging straight to me. Another thing I've seen a lot of people doing is the low light test. Just you can kind of see the gleam and the glimmer on it. Definitely a heavy piece. Well, not to make things long and drawn out, but for the most part, the process with Daniel's Jewelry was great. You can tell that they're very busy down there, but every time I called, I got an answer. Every time I wanted to speak with someone spoke with me, answered all the questions that I had. They were very good with sending emails. Things got a little bit sketchy around the time when I was trying to, send them the money or whatever. I didn't use PayPal, I used my bank. And yeah, I'm not really used to sending large sums of cash like that through the internet, or should I say through the airwaves or whatever. But it went well. They gave me a confirmation. I got the confirmation from my bank, and probably all things all together took them probably about I could give you an exact date if I looked it up, but I would say 2.5 weeks, something along those lines. And next thing you know, they sent me an email saying that it was ready and popped up by UPS. Daniel's Jewelry was great, man. I mean, the service, I'll definitely be back. I plan on getting some bracelets, and I want to get a Cuban Link ring made too. But Daniel's Jewelry, yeah, fuck with them. Definitely fuck with them. Price was fair. Quality is definitely all there. Daniel's Jewelry. Just really trying to pay it forward. Basically, I was looking to get a custom-made chain made, and you know how it is. Search the internet, search the airwaves to try to find a good, reputable company that made chains, and I ran across Daniel's Jewelry, and I watched some reviews, and it seems like everybody who did a review on them was really satisfied. Now that I finally received mine myself, I can put myself in that category. The service was good, the chain feels good. As you can see, it's all metal. Daniel's Jewelry, if you was having any second thoughts, they're good. They're definitely good. I wish they weren't so far away. I'm up here in Maryland, but I would love to visit the store location. But as you see, it's definitely good quality. Custom made box lock. Suicide King, that's me. Let's hear that snap. Quiet, but snap nonetheless. Guess we'll take this off. I have to cut it in a second, but just to lock it up. She's solid. I'll do another video at a later date with it on me and how it fits, and due to some of my other pieces, that's what led me to get the 24-inch. I feel like it's a really good size. It's not too heavy, it's not too in the way, but I'm very satisfied. Very satisfied. So if you were in the market for a Cuban Link, and you wanted to find a reputable dealer, I definitely would recommend Daniel's Jewelry. They know what they're doing, and it's a nice piece, man. really nice piece. So I'm definitely satisfied, and they now have a customer for life, Daniel's Jewelry.